Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable the mobile hotspot on your phone now. Once done, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and disable airplane mode. This opens radios for scanning. Check the hotspot SSID and password in your phone settings, write them down or copy them. If the phone offers 4 versus 5 GHz, choose 2. 4 for better range unless you need faster local speed. Now proceed to connect from the laptop. On your laptop, open the Wi-Fi menu and locate the hotspot SSID you noted. Click it, enter the password exactly as shown, use the show option if you must avoid typing errors, and join. Once connected, check the network profile. Choose private if you trust the phone and intend to share files. Choose public to limit exposure. If the link cursor spins, open network settings, run the diagnostics tool, and make sure no VPN or firewall is blocking new net. Finally, verify connectivity by loading a web page or running a quick ping. This confirms internet access. If pages don't load, turn off any VPNs, disconnect and reconnect the hotspot, or toggle airplane mode to refresh radios. Make sure mobile data isn't exhausted. Check carrier limits. If problems persist, restart both devices, update your laptop's Wi-Fi drivers, and confirm hotspot isn't limited to specific clients. One quick tip: rebooting the phone frequently fixes assignment of IP addresses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.